Hey guys! Let me show you how to animate any mask for your avatar if you don't want to pay for lip syncing programs. This method is free and working on my fancy mask or any simple color mask as well. Let's get started. First of all, I created the picture of my avatar in Leonardo AI. It gave me 4 different options, and the last one is just absolutely gorgeous in my opinion. Midjourney was my favorite text-to-image generator, but now I start to think that Leonardo is even better, and it gives you free credits every day. And as a new feature, you can create short videos of your images. Let's head over to Canva, where we're going to upload our image and duplicate it. On the duplicated photo, we're going to go for the Edit Photo and Background Remover option. Click on the Background Remover again, so we can access the brush. With the Eraser brush, we're going to delete everything from the picture except the mask. It can be a bit tedious task, but you only have to do it once. Enlarge the image and scale down the size of the brush so you can carefully get rid of the unwanted parts. Do it until you're happy with the results. Okay, so on the second slide, we only have the mask with a transparent background. Next, we have to set both pages' duration to 1 second. After that, let's duplicate the first page once again, then pull the transparent mask on top of the second page. When the purple borders are aligned, the masks are the same size. In order to animate it, you want to make the one on top slightly bigger than the original one. Adjust the size until you're happy with the effect it gives you. Once you're satisfied, press Command+A to duplicate 2 pages, then the same for 4 pages and so on, until you reach your desired video length. Save it and let's see the result. I thought that mine would look better if I removed the lips painted on them, and it did. You can achieve more realistic results if you play with the duration of the Canva pages before duplicating them, so the final result is not a constant rhythm-animated mask. For example, setting the duration of the page with the bigger mask longer, or just randomly changing up their lengths. Now you just need a voiceover or a text-to-speech generator like the one in Capcut for free. Alternatively, you can just download a suitable green screen animated mask from YouTube and put it on your avatar. Thank you guys for watching.